I really wanted to invent Mapdec to bring something to the UK adventure race and trail questing scene that was a little bit more price accessible than some of the things on the market, a little bit lighter weight, and allowed to mount it next to a bike light so you can navigate in the dark. And also use it with GPS systems. First of all, I wanted to make something that was accessible so people new to the sport could enjoy navigating on their bike without having the expense of one of the more elaborate map boards, but at the same time wanted to offer all the performance. I think this is going to be great for the touring market as well. Basically, anytime you need to navigate on your bike, imagining people who are in London who are couriers and learn how to do the knowledge, can use it with their A to Z maps. Anyone travelling all over the world with their bikes are going to really benefit from this. We designed the whole thing to fit inside a Royal Mail large letter, and also for the packaging to be recycled cardboard and waterless ink as much as possible. Hence the really nice clean design, and we'll pop this straight in the post to you. So it's really simple. The top plate just screws onto the mount here with a couple of bolts, and then a couple of Allen bolts as well at the bottom. Everything you can build with your normal cycle multi-tool. You'll also find these 3mm thick pads, and you stick these on the top in location. This is really going to help create a nice curve in the map board and also prevent any vibration. Before I can build it all up entirely, I'm just going to show you a couple of mounting options. This has really been designed to be mounted either way. I prefer to mount it on the left hand side of your bike, right next door to the stem. I prefer it this way around. It gives you a little bit more knee room, and elevating this 6 cm gives it a little bit closer to the eye line. After you've done these bits and you've put the felt pads in place, the 3mm Foamex board just goes on top, and you'll find in your little bolt set a button nut at the top. This just goes through the top plate, and there's a small spring washer and then a nylock nut. You can tighten this up really nice and tight. It won't matter at all, and the tighter the better, and this will allow you to rotate the board as you navigate. This board's really been designed to work with an A4 printed map, but of course you can just fold your maps up. In the box you'll find these 2 bungees. We found this the most effective way of strapping the map down securely, and also being able to adjust the map as you move. Just stretch these over the map, hold the map down, and then you're ready to go. As you can see, you have a rotating map board that you can always keep orientated to the terrain ahead. When you're navigating, you often need to keep in mind where your position is on the map, but with the compass and the rotating map board, you can always keep the grid lines orientated to your direction of travel, and it just makes the whole navigation on the move really, really simple.